I just want to put it out there that I am 100% frazzled right now. So if I seem a little agitated in this, it has nothing to do with this video or this product. I am having a shit show of a time with somebody on eBay. I apparently sold something to a scam artist. Yay! And now I'm just like hoping to fix this freaking clusterfuck of a mess before it actually becomes like a huge clusterfuck. So I'm happy I figured it out before it's escalated into something, but I'm really hoping to like solve it before it even becomes remotely part of an issue. I hate people. Not all people. I hate some people. Some people just need a swift kick to the fucking face. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. But thank you for letting me get that out. It feels a little bit better. I'm here to end a project that I thought would be going on for months and months and maybe all of 2019, but we're ending it now. So this was the Perfume Roulette. It's actually supposed to be ended on January 4th, but I'm ending it now because I seem to be having a problem with perfume lately. It doesn't matter what I put on, whether it's my favorites, like my go-tos, the ones that I know that I absolutely love and work for me, or trying something new. Every single thing I have sprayed on in this past month has made me so sick. So I don't know what it is, but I'm going to be taking a break from perfume, and sadly that means ending this project, which I was so gung-ho about keeping going into 2019. My perfume collection is probably the most extensive out of all my collections, and I really want to bring that down because that's ridiculous. What I'm taking out of this and talking about today was the Juliet Has a Gun, and this one was supposed to smell like cookies, kind of similar to Dior's Hypnotic Poison, but more sweeter per se. I was able to pull out every single floral note, but I don't have an update on this because I wore it once and I'm pretty sure I threw up at least once that night. And then I didn't even touch this one, which is the Tom Ford Pour Femme. Is that what it is? Noir Pour Femme. Hadn't even touched this. And I've used this one a couple of times. This is a Histories de Parfums in 1899. This one was interesting. This one, it has notes of cloves and nutmeg and cedar. It kind of, my great-grandpa, before he passed away, actually when we were like kids, he gave us these cedar boxes, and when you opened it up it smelled like fresh cut cedar, and it kind of reminded me of this, but this has more like cinnamon and nutmeg in it as well, so it's kind of like a sweeter, spicier version of those boxes, but there's also floral notes in here. So taking all of this out of here, ending this project now. I'm a little bit sad because I was also really curious about some of the shitty ass fragrance descriptions that companies have come up with and how I was going to be able to butcher them for you guys. So I'm really disappointed in that, but you know what? Once this settles, I'm not sure what it is, but once it settles, I'm definitely going to be bringing this back because, like I said, my perfume collection needs to be brought down. Not a level, not 2 levels, but like 10 levels. So yeah, hopefully we will bring this back sooner rather than later, but you know what? I definitely need to give it a break because this has not been working in my favor. So yeah, this is my last update for now. Yeah, fingers crossed that we will be back. Thank you for checking in with me. Thank you for letting me rant about my shitty eBay experience. FYI, if anybody is on eBay trying to get you to ship something to a company called BM Cargo in Doral, Florida, don't do it. Cancel that shit right away. You don't need those people in your lives. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching, and again, thank you for letting me rant. I will see you next time, and I'll actually go this time. Bye, guys.